How to skip add to cart on WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to skip the add to cart step in WooCommerce. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to WooCommerce, and once the submenu appears, click on Settings. When the Settings page loads completely, look at the top menu and click on Products. This will open the product settings on your screen. Here, you will see a section called Add to Cart Behavior. It gives you two options. The first one is redirect to the cart page after successful addition, and this one is usually enabled by default. To skip the add to cart process, simply uncheck the first option. This will prevent WooCommerce from automatically sending customers to the cart page. Now scroll down a little and click on the Save Changes button. Once the changes are saved, your store will no longer redirect customers to the cart after clicking Add to Cart, which means the add to cart step is skipped. And that's it. This is how you can easily skip the add to cart process on your WooCommerce store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.